Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. I'm Abby Andrew, and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about wig wearing from the perspective of someone who's had alopecia since about the age of 2, and has been a daily wig wearer since about the age of 7 years old. In today's video, I'm going to have some fun showing you a couple of spring outfits that you can try out for this season, and of course, I'm going to be incorporating wig looks into all of these outfits as well. For this first outfit, I decided to try out this really cool jumpsuit that I actually found at a thrift store, and I'm definitely a fan of secondhand fashion to reuse things so that they have a longer lifespan, which is always great, and it's just a great way to save money as well. So this piece probably only cost me about $4, but it's from a more expensive brand, so if I had bought it from the store originally, it probably would have cost significantly more money, and it still looks just as cute as if it were new. So I really love the look of this jumpsuit, but sometimes in the spring it can get a little bit chilly still. With this jumpsuit, I thought it actually looked really cute paired with this knit sweater. Between the flowy sweater and the flowy pants look with this jumpsuit, I thought it was just a really kind of hippie, flowy, comfortable sort of look for the spring. For this outfit, I decided to pair it with the wig Levi in Seashell Blonde R, and this wig is a new release from the Amore Collection from this year. There were a few different styles that I could have chosen for this outfit, but the reason I liked this wig for this particular outfit is because it adds a little bit more of a glamorous look to more of a casual outfit, so it just gives it a little bit more pizzazz. Levi has a really gorgeous volume to it, paired with this double monofilament wig cap that just makes it very, very natural looking on the scalp and makes it very comfortable. But if you want to tone down the volume to make it a little bit more casual, you also have the option to try putting it into a half ponytail, and I thought that worked really well for a more casual outfit like this. For this next outfit, I decided to go for more of the classic skirt vibe that's always really fun to bring out in the springtime as the weather starts to get warmer again. So I decided to wear this really cute white sailor skirt, paired it with this really nice crop top, and I really like pairing crop tops with high-waisted garments. I think that just gives it a really nice kind of A-line figure to the outfit. And then just to kind of give it a little slightly bit more warmth for those chillier days, and if you just want to cover your shoulders a little bit more, I also paired it with this jean vest. The jean vest can also be optionally tied in the front, or you can just leave it down. It's very versatile. For this outfit, I thought it looked really cute with the wig Alva from Noriko in the color Marble Brown R, which is just a really cute kind of bob style with bangs. With the Alva wig, it looks really like a nice girl next door kind of look, but I also wanted to show you how just changing the wig without changing any other components of the outfit can completely change the whole look. And I just wanted to have a little bit of fun showing you that as well. So for this outfit, I also tried to pair it with the wig Kai in Melted Ocean, which is just such a fun color. This is one of my favorite colors that we have with René of Paris. Just this really beautiful kind of blue gradient. And just from changing the wig, it kind of goes from more of a nice girl next door look to more of an alternative style look, which I also really like as well. What I particularly like about Kai in Melted Ocean is that even though it's a really bright, fun blue color, a lot of colorful wigs can sometimes be costumey if they're just cheap, costumey, colorful wigs, but the features of Kai's wig cap are so realistic looking that it really just looks like your own hair dyed this beautiful blue gradient, like the lace front and the lace part, as well as the ability to just comfortably put it behind your ear. All of these features make it look so realistic that even though it's blue, it looks like your own hair dyed blue. And that's why Kai in Melted Ocean is one of my favorite wigs that I have in my collection. For this last outfit, I decided to go with a really casual outfit, but I just wanted to show you another style that I sometimes do incorporate into my own outfits, is if I have a fun, colorful wig, like I could have done this really well with the Melted Ocean wig that I showed earlier, but in this case, I'm going to be using Wyatt in Watermelon R, which is this really beautiful kind of pastel pink sort of color. It's just a really beautiful, subtle baby pink. And for this outfit, I wanted to try to incorporate some of the colors in the Hawaiian shirt that I'm wearing with the wig itself. Now this is really just for fun, and it doesn't always apply to every wig color. Say for example, if you're wearing more of a natural wig color style, it might not really work with that, but if you're wearing a fun color like Melted Ocean or Watermelon R, it's just really fun to incorporate the color of the fun, bright wig with the colors of your outfit. This is something I do a lot, especially if I'm going to music festivals and I want to just kind of dress up fun, or if I'm putting together some sort of cosplay or costume look. I love to incorporate the color of the wig into the color of the outfit because I just think it makes it look just a little bit more fun. So those are all of the spring outfit looks that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know in the comments below which of the outfits that I showed was your favorite, and let me know if you're going to incorporate any of these techniques or suggestions into your outfits. If you ever try out any of these suggestions, definitely tag us on Instagram at René of Paris so we can see all of the fun looks that you put together with our wigs. If you want to stay up to date with all of our latest releases and see all of our other wig tips and tutorials that we come out with on both YouTube and Instagram, definitely follow us on both of those platforms at René of Paris. And you can always also check out our website for more information on all of our wigs, reneofparis.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.